What's up, everybody? Today we're going to learn The Daughters by Lady Antebellum. It's a great song, standard tuning, all open chords. I'm going to show you two different ways to learn it. So the first part of the video is going to be me teaching it to you with the fingerstyle, and the second half is going to be strumming. So if the fingerstyle thing is a little too much, you can skip forward to the section where I'm just teaching it with the strumming patterns. Thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Brett Blakemore. Please check us out on Instagram and Facebook. Those links are in the description. Go to the website and sign up for the newsletter for some exclusive content that's coming out really soon. Let's get started. Okay, so let's talk about the chords we need for this song. We've got a G. That's our middle finger, 3rd fret, 6th string. Index, 2nd fret, 5th. 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string. And our pinky, 3rd fret, 1st string. Then we've got a D/F sharp. That's our index finger, 2nd fret, 5th, 6th string. Middle finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string. 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string. Alright, and you kind of mute the 5th string with your index and then the 1st string with your 3rd. You can strum all 6, even though you won't hear these 5th or 1st strings. And then you got A minor 7th, so we're going to go A minor 7th. It's an A minor without the ring finger. So that's going to be open, 2nd fret, 4th string with your 2nd finger, open on the 3rd, index, 1st fret, 2nd string, the 1st string open, and then we've got a G/B, so it's just like your G from before, just no middle finger, and you strum from your 5th down, so it's get a G chord and strum from your 5th down, you don't need the middle finger. And then we've got a D, which is index, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string, and middle finger, 2nd fret, 1st string, and you strum from the 4th string down. Alright, and then we've got a Cadd9, which is the exact same shape as our G. We're just moving our index and middle finger down 1 string each towards the floor. So that fingering is middle finger, 3rd fret, 5th string, index, 2nd fret, 4th string, open on the 3rd string, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string, pinky, 3rd fret, 1st string. And then we have an E minor 7th chord, which is going to be open, 2, open, 3, open. So that's 2nd finger, 2nd fret, 5th string, middle finger, 2nd fret, 4th string, open on the 3rd, and then 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string. So for the plucking pattern for the right hand, we're going to go thumb, and then index and middle are going to pluck up together, kind of like a pull together. So we're going to get our G chord for the intro, and we're going to go pluck, pull. So, and I'm going thumb on the 6th, index on the 3rd, middle finger on the 2nd. So it's alright, there's 4 measures of that right at the beginning, and then as the lyrics start, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, and on that 3 and 4 there, that's the D/F sharp, and then it goes to your E minor 7th, and I keep my fingers down, even though I'm not plucking or strumming all those strings just yet, and then I'm going to go same pattern. So when we did the D/F sharp, I'm still plucking that 6th string and then 2nd string and 3rd together. So we go to E minor 7th, same exact thing, 6th string, 2nd and 3rd string. So 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I go to A minor 7th, 2 and G/B, 3 and 4 and Cadd9, 1, 2, 3, 4 and then I go back to the G for the second half of the verse. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. E minor, still plucking the same strings. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you go back to your A minor 7th. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the G/B, and then Cadd9. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you go to the pre-chorus, pose like a trophy on a shelf. You're going D, but you're going to only pluck 4th, 2nd, and 3rd together. So it's 1, 2, and then E minor 7th, 6th, 3rd, and 2nd. 1, 2, and then Cadd9, 5th, 3rd, and 2nd. 2, 3, 4, and so that's D, E minor 7th, C, add 9. And it does that again. D, E minor, C Add9. And then it walks down. It goes E minor, 6, 3, 2, 6, D, C Add9. And then it goes, so I'll do that again, E minor, D, C, and then it goes to D/F sharp, C, G. That whole chorus is D, E minor, C. Do it again, D, E minor, C. Then you're walking down E minor, D, C, D/F sharp. You're plucking the 6th with your thumb, 2nd with your middle, and 3rd with your index. C Add9, 5th, 3 and 2 for strings, and then back to G, 6, 3 and 2. All right, then another little short instrumental there on just the G, and then you go back into another verse and another chorus. After the second chorus, it kind of hangs out on the G for 4 bars, and then it goes to another walk down for the bridge. So then it goes to another walk down for the bridge. It says E minor, D, C. It'll do it again, E minor, D, C, 2, 3, 4, and another C, 2, 3, 4. So the last chorus after the bridge has a couple of tags in it, so let's walk through that real quick. So pose like a trophy on the shelf. That's D, E minor, C Add9. And then same thing again, I'll dream for everyone but not myself, C. And that's D, E minor, C Add9 again. And then you've got E minor, Son and the Father. That's E minor, D, C. It does that again, E minor, D, C Add9. Then D/F sharp, C Add9, G. And it'll do that again, D/F sharp, C Add9, G. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it does that kind of motion all the way through the end. So if you want to strum the song instead of do the fingerstyle thing, I'll break that down for you too. The strumming pattern is just going to be a simple 16th note thing. You're going to go 1. Just like that. Down, up, 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 down, up. So on the verse, that would be G, G, D/F sharp, E minor, 7th. Walk up A minor, G/B, C, back to G. No walk down this time to E minor. A minor, 7th, G/B, C, and then D, 7th, C. Do that again, D, E minor, 7th, C. And then E minor, D, C. And then D/F sharp, C, G. And then a whole nother verse after that. And then your bridge, E minor, D, you can add the F sharp if you want, C, again, E minor, D, C, and then your last chorus, which has the tags in it, would be like this. D, like a trophy on the shelf, C, D, E minor, C, sharp, C, G. You just keep that same G strumming pattern all the way throughout. Alright, that's everything you need to know to learn this song. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did and you learned something, please consider liking and subscribing. We really appreciate the support. Don't forget to go sign up for the newsletter on the website for some exclusive content. That link is in the description. Have a great day.